Chapter 12 Dinner with Father. Learning objectives. 1. We should respect our elders. 2. We should not judge others on the basis of their appearance. Warm up. Complete this family tree by pasting pictures of your family members. Instructions for discussion. Ask children to fill this family tree and talk about their family members. One day, a son took his old father to a restaurant for an evening dinner. His father was very old and weak. While eating food, the old man dropped food on his shirt and trousers. Other diners watched him in disgust while his son was calm. The old father took long time to finish his dinner. His son was not at all embarrassed. He took his old father to the washroom, wiped off the food particles, removed the stains, combed his hair, and fitted his spectacles firmly. When they came out, the entire restaurant was watching them in dead silence. The son paid the bill and started walking with his father. At that time, an old man amongst the diners called out to the son and asked him, "Don't you think you have left something behind?" The son replied, "No, sir, I haven't." The old man retorted, "Yes, you have. You left a lesson for every son and hope for every father." The whole restaurant was clapping for the son's act. Find meaning. Weak, lacking the strength of body. Must go to a restaurant or any place with your parents. You must have had fun with them. Share about your outing, the fun you had, and the things you ate with your classmates. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Max, the dog. Jen has a brown dog. Her dog's name is Max. Max likes to play with the ball. Jen throws the ball. Max brings it back. Max lies on the bed. This makes Jen's mom mad. She wants Max to lie on the floor. One day, Max got lost. Jem looked all over for him. She walked up and down the street. She yelled, "Come home, Max!" She found Max. He was in the park. He was happy to see Jen. Which pet animal do you like? How do you take care of your pet animal? Critical thinking. Let's play a game. This is Peter's family. Peter has fun playing chess with his mother. This is Margaret's family. They enjoy playing Ludo in the house. Which indoor game do you play with your family? Discuss with your friend and write the name of the indoor games played by you and your family member. Also, mention the relation of the family member with whom the game is played. Game, family member. Logical decision making. Read the following paragraph and help your friend Poonam answer logically about her family type. I am Poonam Singh. I live with my parents and elder brother. My grandparents do not stay with us but visit us whenever they get a chance. We all have the same family name, though we do not live with each other. Family type: joint or nuclear? Reason. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Why did the son take his old father to a restaurant? Answer. The son took his old father to a restaurant for dinner. B. Was the old man's son embarrassed for his old father? Answer. The old man's son was not embarrassed for his old father. C. Who paid the bill? Answer. Son paid the bill. D. What lesson did you learn from the story? Answer. We learned that we should respect our elders. Find their meanings. A. Wiped off. To clean. B. Particles. A small piece or a bit. C. Stains. A colored mark which is not removable. D. Family. A group of people related to each other. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. His father was very old and weak. B. His father dropped his food on his shirt and trousers. C. The son combed his hair and helped him fit his spectacles. Take the right options. A. One day, a son took his dash to a restaurant. 1. Old father. 2. Old mother. 3. Both of them. 1. Old father. B. The old man dropped food on his 1. Shirt. 2. Trousers. 3. Both of these. 3. Both of these. D. The old man's son left hope for 1. Every son. 2. Every father. 3. Every mother. 2. Every father. Match the following. Dish, spectacles, bill. Conceptual understanding. Based on your reading of the story, arrange the given sentences in the correct sequence of their happenings by writing the number in the given spaces. A. An old man asked the son if he had forgotten something. B. His father dropped food on his clothes. C. The son took his father to a restaurant to have dinner. D. His son cleaned his clothes in the washroom. Communication. Writing skills. Talk to your grandmother or grandfather. Find out the following. A. What is the name of your grandmother or grandfather? B. What is his or her age? C. What was the name of his or her school? D. What is or her favorite food? E. What is or her favorite game?